Good afternoon everybody, and once again welcome back to the video. In this video I'm gonna be teaching you how to use AWS Glue Crawlers with your Apache Hudi tables. Yes, on July 21st 2023 AWS has now officially announced that you can use your Glue Crawler with Hudi tables. Let's take a look at it. Again, as you can see, this is the post. It was done on July 21st 2023. AWS Glue Crawlers now supports Apache Hudi tables. Alright, so now that you have seen the announcement, now let's get started, a hands-on lab. So let's get started. So I have a S3 bucket called Somil Shah Hudi Demos, inside which I have a folder called Hudi. And here I have a Hudi data lake. Again, here I just have some sample Hudi table. Now, before that, we used to use a Hive sync tool to basically sync our or catalog the data with Glue, right? But now you can use AWS Glue Crawler. So let me show you. So now, head over to Glue and then click on crawlers. Click on the orange button that says create crawlers. I'm gonna say demo learn Hudi crawl. Then click on next. Click on add source. And now here on the drop down, you will see Hudi on the bottom section. Click Hudi. And then what you wanna do is wherever your Hudi data lake is, simply copy the S3 URI, paste the S3 URI over here. Click on add Hudi data source, then click on next, choose the IAM role. I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna select the right IAM role. Click next. I'm gonna select the target database as HudiDB. I have a Glue database, right? Then I'm gonna leave the frequency on demand. Click on next, and then click on create crawler. Now my crawler has been created. Now I'm gonna click on run crawler. Now let's refresh the console, and here you can see the crawler is now in the running state. I'm gonna resume once the crawler is complete. Alright, as you can see, my Glue crawler is finally in the completed state. Now, as you can see, if I head over to the database, click on HudiDB, and if I refresh here you can see I now do see two Hudi tables, that is Hudi RO and RT. Again, I had a more table, and hence you can see now it made RO, which is the real-time, RT stands for real-time updates, and the RO is a read-optimized view, right? So yeah, this makes sense. And now I should be able to use my Athena and run ad hoc queries on my transactional data lake. So coming back to Athena quickly, over here, let's just do a preview table. And I'm gonna collapse this one, and I'm gonna execute the query. And here you can see I'm now able to query my Hudi data lake. Thank you so much for watching. You can use the Glue Crawler to catalog your Hudi tables. You can also schedule them if needed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna be seeing you in the next video.